Hey, what's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on the channel. Now, in today's video, we're going to be installing Discord on Windows 11 in 2026. This is more of an updated tutorial, so all you have to do is follow along. And if you get any errors, please let me know in the comments below, and I will assist you the best I can. So first, you just got to open your browser, and then all you have to do is type in Discord. Then you can click the first link. If it pops up with an ad that says advertisement, usually do the second link. And then once this page pops up, you can actually open Discord in your browser if you don't feel like installing it, or you just need to access it on like a work computer, for example. But to install it, all you have to do is click download for Windows right here. And then it's going to say save. This is not what yours is going to look like. It's probably going to pop up here in the corner. Usually with Firefox and Chrome it does, and I think Microsoft Edge. All you have to do is click save. Going to download it. It's going to pop up down here saying that it has been download complete. Once it's done, you can go ahead and go to your downloads folder by clicking the File Explorer, going to Downloads, going to close out of the browser. And as you can see, we've got Discord set up right here. You're just going to double click that. Now, at first, you won't really see anything happening on screen, but Discord usually installs in the background. As you can see, it's actually installing now. Sometimes you'll get a UAC prompt. Just go ahead and click yes. And once you're done, all you have to do is log in. You can use the QR code on screen, or you can log in with your username and password. If there's anything else you guys want me to look at or do a tutorial on, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike without it sucks. Share this to your friends who need to install Discord. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.